Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English using Duolingo step by step. First, download the Duolingo application or go to their website. Next, create your free account and choose English as your target language. You can then take a quick placement test to find your current skill level, which helps tailor your learning path. Finally, set a daily goal, perhaps 5, 10, or 15 minutes, to build a consistent habit and make steady progress. Once set up, you'll see a clear learning path. It's best to follow this path sequentially, completing each lesson to build a strong foundation. Duolingo helps you practice all 4 key language skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Before starting a new unit, remember to check the tips section for helpful grammar explanations. This ensures you understand the concepts thoroughly before tackling new vocabulary and phrases. To truly master English, consistent reinforcement is key. Regularly review older lessons to solidify your knowledge and prevent forgetting. The practice button is excellent for targeting areas where you need more work. Also, explore the stories feature. These short narratives are a fun way to improve your reading and listening comprehension. For an extra challenge, try the legendary levels to prove your mastery. To maximize your progress, aim to maintain a daily streak. Consistency is vital for language learning. Don't forget to use the Words tab to review all the vocabulary you've encountered. If you want an ad-free experience and offline access, consider Duolingo Plus. Remember, Duolingo is a fantastic tool, but combining it with other resources will accelerate your journey to fluency in English.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.